Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Omnistar affiliate payouts, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing your Omnistar affiliate payouts, first, log in to your Omnistar affiliate account. Once logged in, navigate to the Payouts or Earnings section of your dashboard. In this section, you will see your available balance and payout options. Select your preferred payout method from the list provided. Common options include bank transfer, PayPal, or checks. If you choose PayPal, ensure your PayPal account is linked to your Omnistar account. For bank transfers, you will need to provide your banking details. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid any delays. After choosing your payout method, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the withdrawal amount to ensure it matches your available balance. Next, click on the Withdraw or Submit button to initiate the process. You may receive a confirmation pop-up, confirm your withdrawal request. Depending on your chosen payout method, processing times may vary. For PayPal withdrawals, funds typically arrive within a few business days. Bank transfers may take longer, often up to 5 business days. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your payout status. If there are any issues, contact Omnistar support for assistance. Once you receive your funds, verify that the amount matches your withdrawal request. Congratulations, you've successfully completed the withdrawal process with Omnistar affiliate payouts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.